Hello everyone and welcome to ROS2 tutorials. In this ROS2 and Linux Ubuntu tutorial, we explain how to completely erase and uninstall ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco from Ubuntu Linux system. Now, the main question is, why would someone want to uninstall ROS2 once it has been installed? Well, there are many reasons for doing this. For example, maybe during installation of some new package or system update, some packages of ROS2 or even ROS2 core became unstable. Also, maybe you have changed some configuration files of ROS2 and ROS2 is not working anymore or it's crashing. Consequently, in such scenarios, it is necessary to perform a clean uninstall of ROS2 and later on to install ROS2 from scratch. So let's learn how to uninstall ROS2. Okay, but before we even try to uninstall ROS2 on our machine, let us first verify that ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco is actually installed on our system. Okay, so how to do that? Well, to do that, first of all, click here on Show Apps and search over here for Terminal. And over here, I will resize this terminal such that you can see what I'm typing, and at the same time, you can see this small manual I created. All ROS and ROS2 distributions on our system will be installed in this folder. So let's go to that folder by typing cd and let's specify the path to the folder. Okay, now let's type ls-la, and over here if you see Jazzy, this means that ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco is actually installed on our system. Now, another approach for verifying that ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco is installed on our system is actually to try to source the main file of the Jazzy Jalisco, that is, to source the setup file. So let's go to the home folder, and from the home folder, let's run this command. This should source the setup.bash file of ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco. And once we execute this file, let's echo this environmental variable that kind of specifies the current ROS distribution. And let's see. And as the output, we can see Jazzy. This means that I have Jazzy on my system, and let's explain how to uninstall Jazzy. Let's close this terminal, and let's open a new terminal. Here it is. Let me resize this terminal such that you can see what I'm typing, and let's start from the beginning. To uninstall, we need to run this command. Sudo apt remove, then ~andros jazzy, then this is a symbol for everything, and sudo apt auto remove. Okay, so let's run this and let's hope that everything will be fine. Enter your password. And you can see that we are erasing everything, that is, we are performing clean uninstall. Press yes here and let's wait a little bit. And you can see the progress over here. Now everything is being removed. Okay, let's continue. This will perform a complete uninstall. You can see even Pythons, because it has a separate Python environment. OpenCV is also installed together. Gazebo is also installed together, so be patient over here. Good. However, the story doesn't end here. We also need to remove the repository. To do this, we need to erase this file. Namely, there is a file in this folder etc apt sources.list.d, and there is this file. So let's erase this file. And then after that, let's run sudo apt update. Don't forget to do this. And then do sudo apt auto remove once more. And then do sudo apt upgrade. And do yes. Okay, so this will return basically the system to its previous state before ROS2 is being installed. Because while uninstalling ROS2, we probably removed some packages that some other pieces of Linux or Linux programs are using, so this will make sure that we are upgrading everything and that everything is up to date. Okay, so here you should be patient. This will take some time, and here's the progress. Okay, so let's be patient. Now, once this is completed, we will actually verify that ROS2 is actually removed from our system. So we will go back to the binaries folder, and the folder should be empty actually, and we will not be able to source the environment. That's basically the main check. Now here you need to be patient. Be patient. This will take some time, and progress is almost 100%. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back to the folder cd opt, or basically let's run cd and go to the opt folder. And you see there is no such folder. So let me now, actually I made an error here typing this. So let's do this. Okay, there is no such a folder. Okay. Good. Let's now try to source the file. So let's try to source this. Good. No such file or directory. This means that we have completely uninstalled ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco from our system. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Also, I have to mention here at the end that I created several tutorials on how to properly install ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco and how to use different packages, as well as how to write your own programs in ROS2 Jazzy Jalisco. You can see all these tutorials in the corresponding playlists on my YouTube